Hello, welcome back to Driving and Learning. Oliver Lepke here. I've been in network marketing for many years, very successful, and today I'm going to be talking about what is the one single most important thing in network marketing. And when it comes to network marketing, you can do many different things, and you can do network marketing in many different ways. And that's one of the advantage of network marketing, because for different people can run network marketing business in many different ways, in ways that they like, that they prefer. But all these different ways, they must include this one thing. Otherwise, network marketing doesn't make sense, and network marketing business will not grow. So, what can you do in network marketing? In network marketing, again, you can do a lot of things. You can grow your network marketing business many different ways. You can sell products. You can do a lot of other activities. You can create videos like this. You can read books. You can watch videos. You can listen to podcasts. You can talk to different people and go around the topic of network marketing. But when it comes to the growth and success of network marketing, then you must, this is the most important part, and you must sponsor people and then have a duplication system in place. You see, if you like network marketing, and if you like the products in network marketing, and probably you like to sell these products to other people so you can help them with their needs. Makes sense, right? But if you keep doing that, and if you don't prospect, and if you don't sponsor people, then you're not gonna grow. Because at any moment, if you're focusing on sales, when you stop selling products, then your business stops. However, when you sponsor people, you bring them on board, and there's a duplication system in place, then later on, as you grow your business, even if you stop or slow down your business continues to work, because you bring people on board, they're working for themselves, you help them out, and because you help them out, they keep growing, and they duplicate themselves, and they sponsor other people, and that's how your business grows. And that's the way to create leverage, because you will have a team of many people in your team. For example, I have about 7,000 people in my team, and if it was not for sponsoring, I would never have so many people in the team. It wouldn't be possible. So, same thing for you. If you want to become successful, then you must sponsor other people. And then you must have a duplication system in place, so when you sponsor them, they need to know what to do. They need to be able to sponsor other people as well. And if you don't have this duplication system, you're going to be bringing people, sponsoring people, but they're not going to be doing any work, and then soon enough they will stop. So you must have a system in place that duplicates. You must have a system in place where these new people you bring on board need to know what to do so they can sponsor other people. Simple as that. Because this is network marketing, and it's network where you market to network, but then you grow the network, and you grow your network, and when you start having duplication, then you can have a team to any amount of people you have your ambition and desire to work with. So that's the most important part in network marketing, sponsoring. That's the name of the game. And if you don't sponsor people, then you're not helping them. Then you're not helping yourself. Then you're not growing your team. And without growing your team, you will not have big, successful business in network marketing. Period. So, focus on sponsoring people. How do you sponsor people? It's pretty simple. Talk to some people, introduce them to your business of network marketing, and if they like it, that's wonderful, and if they don't like it, that's wonderful, but keep introducing the business. During the process you will become better, and during the process you will sponsor people just like everybody else, and the more you do it, the better you become, and the bigger team you will have, and the more successful you will become. Simple as that. So, enough talking. Let's start working. Let's connect with some people, introduce them your business, show them the business, and don't be a fool. Use the tool. Don't explain the business by yourself, even though you know how to explain well, because the fact is that most people will not join, which means that most of the time you would be wasting your time. So you don't want to do that. What you want to use a tool. If you don't have a tool, create a tool, and then use that tool to introduce the business, and not only introduce, but also present. So that way you leverage your time and your personal activity and still sponsor new people on board. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Leave a comment on this video or just send me a message. I would be happy to help. But the name of the game of network marketing is simply sponsoring. And of course, using products, sharing products, having few sales here and there, but this is not sales, because this is not sales business, this is not sales position. Yes, we do have a sales once in a while, and we do sell products once in a while, and I'm a very proud forever business owner where I sell our products, but this is not the main activity. Our business is marketing, and our business is sponsoring, bringing people on board, educating them, and helping them grow using our system. All right. Thanks for stopping by to check out this video, and I'll see you again in another one. Bye-bye.